This is infrared sensor footage recorded in 2023 aboard a U.S. military platform, showing three distinct areas of contrast remaining near the center of the frame for the clip's duration. The United States Indo-Pacific Command submitted the report to AARO, and the Department of War made the file public in the Pursue release on May 8, 2026. The person who filed the report did not provide any oral or written description of the observation. For the full minute and 59 seconds, the sensor tracks three separate contrast areas that hold a fixed position and orientation relative to one another, appearing to move together as the platform or camera shifts. Early in the clip, the three areas occupy the central field of view and stay clustered. Midway through, they maintain their spacing and alignment while the sensor continues to track. There are no spoken observer comments on the recording and no explanatory overlays provided with the submission. The public record for this case is limited to the infrared clip and the submitting agency's report, and the AARO file is catalogued as an unresolved UAP report. That unresolved status reflects the absence of corroborating witness statements or additional sensor data in the material made available here. Without accompanying radar tracks, telemetry, or higher resolution imagery, the infrared view alone cannot determine size, distance, or exact motion of the contrast areas. Observers comparing frames note that the three elements preserve both spacing and relative orientation even as the sensor's aim changes, which differentiates this clip from single intermittent glints or momentary thermal noise. The submitting command provided only the video file and the minimal report, so follow-up information such as platform altitude, sensor azimuth, or any maintenance notes is not available in the public record. The Pursue release makes material like this accessible, but in many cases the documentation remains thin, leaving entries in AARO unresolved. Researchers use clips like this to test methods for cross-referencing thermal signatures against flight logs, satellite overpasses, and meteorological data when those records can be obtained. Find the original file, related reporting, and our weekly podcast at uapdrop.com.